Welcome to 12481 Morning Glory Lane, Fort Myers, Florida. This home is situated in Gateway Greens, which is a gated community that has a wonderful renovated club that has optional membership, golf and social. This home was built in 1991 and has been meticulously cared for and well updated. So come on, let's go take a look. The home features a 3-car garage. It has a brand new roof with all brand new gutters. The landscaping was done in 2017 and it is lush tropical style. Welcome to this great home that features 2,460 square feet of living space. It has a French door entry with an elegant arched window above. It has all high-end ceiling fans and light fixtures that complement the classic living room, family room, split bedroom floor plan design. This is the living room that features large panel sliders that look over the pool lanai. And joined to it is the formal dining area, which also has the arch window detail. You'll notice this home has cathedral ceilings, which makes it have a nice open feel. And this is the master suite. The master suite has sliders to the pool lanai. It has plant shelving on one side of the room, and it has cathedral ceiling. It has been updated with a gorgeous shower. It has a garden tub, plantation shutters, dual sinks, and it also has 2 large walk-in closets. So from the master, we're going to move on to the family room area. You'll find the kitchen. It has a built-in desk, a breakfast nook, and this family room features brand new high-end vinyl flooring, which has a lifetime guarantee. Off of this family room, we have 1 guest suite. This guest suite is situated right across from the guest bath, which is also the pool bath. And this room features a walk-in closet. So let's move on to the other guest suite. As you can see in this room, there's built-in speakers for surround sound. The kitchen has newer appliances and has a gorgeous countertop. So this guest wing has a pocket door, which also there's pocket door to the guest suite area also. Both guest rooms are gracious in size. And there's a full guest bath situated right between them. When heading from the formal living area to the family room, you'll find the laundry room, which has lots of storage. And this is the dream garage that has enough room for 3 cars. It also has a workstation And it has a wall AC unit. Utility sink. So this home has wonderful outdoor living space. Come on. Do you envision your family spending the day in this pool and which features custom concrete? It has a custom vent on the barbecue area, lots of under truss space, and of course a gorgeous pool with a waterfall feature. It has lots of privacy with all the mature landscaping and the tall hedges. Plus, no one has to go through the house to get to a bathroom. This home features a full bath right